Hi, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, we have to change the layout to blank. Move on to the design tab also. So we are changing the slide size to A4. So leave it at the landscape and click on OK and click on maximize. Alright, so the first thing that we would like to do is to go to the insert tab and insert a rectangle shape. So I'll locate my shapes here. So I found a rectangle shape here, the 90 degrees rectangle shape. So I'll draw my rectangle like this. So I'll remove the outline, give it no outline, and the shape field I'll choose color black. So I'll easily rotate it this way and send it to the top corner. Alright, so I'll like to reduce this one a little bit like this. So I'll duplicate this one also this side by pressing and holding the control key and drag to duplicate. So by this one, I don't want that color to be color black. I'll rather format it to a different color, and that color I want it to be gradient. So I'll choose the shape fill and I'm going to choose this color. Okay, I'm going to choose gradient rather. So the first color that I'll choose, which is this one, I'll choose this color. The second color, I'll choose this color. The third color, I'll choose this color. And lastly, I'll choose the one at the top. Alright, so I'll just go and click on the type to make it to choose the radial. So then I'll now put this one also to the top there, but this time I'm going to increase the height a little bit to something like this. Alright, so after doing it this way, I'll send it to the back and duplicate it again. Let's say the top one also. I'll duplicate it here. And I'll also increase that one, the height of it a little bit more than the other one, so that it will be taller than it a little bit. Something like this. Let me push this one to the top. I think this way is okay. So let me send that one also to the back. And lastly, I'll choose the gradient color again. I'll duplicate that one. So let me push it to the top. I'll do the same thing applies to it. Alright, so that one also, let me send it to the back. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like to do is to go back to the insert tab. I'm going to insert this shape here. So I'll draw my shape like this. So let me zoom it in. Alright, so we can easily place it to the top there. Something like this. So let me zoom it in a little bit. So I would like to increase the diagonal a little bit. So like this one. I'll do something like this. Alright, so I think this way is not bad for us. So I'll remove the outline and the colorway, the shape fill, I'll choose color black. Alright, so let me send it to the back. Let me bring it up a little bit. I think this way. So again, I'll go and duplicate this one again by using the control key and click on press and hold the control key and drag to duplicate. So this one also, I'll change the color to the gradient. So I just have to click on the gradient because we choose this color earlier on. It will just automatically fill it in. So I'll bring this one here. I'll increase the height a little bit. So I can just position it to the top. Alright, so that one also, let me send it to the back. I think this way is nice for us. So lastly, let me duplicate this one also to that side, the color black. So I just have to bring it to the top also and increase the height also a little bit. Alright, so let's send that one also to the back. I think this way is nice for us. Alright, so one thing again that I would like to do again is to pick this one, duplicate it to this side. So I'll just do it this way. So let me send this one to this side. Alright, so let's change the color to the gradient and send it to the back. So let me add another duplication there. Let me choose the color black. So let me send that one also to the back. Oops, sorry, it's supposed to be to the front. Alright, so one thing that again that we like to do, or what we did here, we like to do some kind of similar design but not the same thing. It will be close enough to be around here, so I just have to duplicate this one to downside to that side, something like this. So I'll take this one also, the gradient fill, duplicate that one also to that side. So I'll easily send it to the back. I'll take this color also, that's the color black, duplicate that one also to that side. Let's rotate that one. So I'll change that one also to the gradient and send it to the back. Alright, so now let's duplicate this one to the down bottom side. I'll take this one also and duplicate that one also to that side. So that one will also be at the back. So I'll take the color black also. It will also be sent to the back. Oops. I'll take this one, the last one. Alright, so let's send that one also to the back. Alright, so after doing that one, let's take this one again. So we'll just bring it here. I think this way is okay. So let's send that one also to the back. And again, I'll take this one. I'll bring it to this side. I'll duplicate it twice, something like this. Okay, let me delete this one for now. So let's deal with this one first. So the gradient of it, let's choose the color to be gradient. So I'll bring it somewhere around here. Let me edit the points. Click on the edit, shape edit, and go and edit the points. So let's zoom it in. So I want that one also to be, somehow how will I even use this word? Sorry. Parallel with this line so that it will all be straight. This one and this one, I want it to be parallel. So I'll just use something like this. Alright, so I think this is okay. So I just have to easily bring it here. So I'll send that one also to the back. So now I'll duplicate it. Oops, I want only this one. I'll duplicate it, but change the color to color black. Alright, I think this is not bad for our design. Alright, so what I'm now going to do, I'll now leave this side for now. Alright, so I will deal with the text boxes for now. So I'll take the insert. I will easily go to the insert tab. Okay, now so let's go to the insert tab and insert a text box. So the text inside that I want to be inside there will be certificate. Alright, so I just have to select this one and format that text. So I'll align it to the center, and the font, I'm going to choose the Times New Roman, and the size of it, I'll choose 14. So let me make it bold. Alright, so I'll duplicate this one to the bottom there. But this time, the text that I want to change, the text that I'm going to change in there will be of graduation. So I'll change the font to this one down there. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. And the size, I'll choose 20. And the color of it, I'll choose this color. Alright, so let's go to the insert tab. We are going to insert a line here. So the width of it, let's make it 2. And the color of it, you choose this color. And duplicate this one also to the left side of it. Alright, so again, let's go back to the insert tab and insert this shape. So draw a shape like this. So the outline will give you no outline, and the shape fill will choose color black. So now let's edit the points. The points at the right here wants to be the same as this one. So I just have to go and click on the edit shape and edit the points. So let me zoom it in. So I easily drag this one here and do the same thing applies to this one. Alright, so let me zoom out. So the text inside there, the text that I want to insert is there. Let me change the color. So I'll add the certificate is proudly presented to. So let me change the font of it to 16. And let me increase the height of this one a little bit. That's the height, the weight of it a little bit. You can decide to make it bold by selecting all of it and choosing the bold icon to make it bold like this. And you can also decide to leave it that way. But for the sake of this video, I will not make it bold. I will leave it this way. Alright, so let me duplicate this text also. I will duplicate the text here, and I'm going to change the text to it's going to be name and surname. So I'll select all of it, change the color to black, and the font of it I'll choose Edwardian script. So I'll choose the font of it to be possibly 16. Alright, so let's go and draw another straight line here. That one also, the width of it, let's make it 2. And choose color black. Alright, so let me duplicate this one also. Let's change the color to be black, and the font of it, let's change it back to the default one, which is Calibri, and the size we can make it 18, and remove the bold. So this time I'm just going to automatically generate random text here for the description. Alright, so by typing this you can easily automatically generate random text. So I'm saying that I want a one paragraph consisting of 3 lines. So if I press on the enter key, it will automatically generate the text for me. So I'll do it this way, align it to the center. Alright, so let's take this one also and duplicate it to the bottom there. So I'm going to change the text to signature. So I want all of it to be in caps. I'll make it bold. Alright, so this line, the line that we inserted here, oops, this line, I'll duplicate it. I want only that line. It's like we are finding it difficult to insert it, so let me just choose a different line. I'll insert that line here. Choose the width of it to also be 2. Alright, so as you can see, everything is fitting down. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.